What are we doing today?
Today I'm gonna get my hair cut.
What happened at school with your hair?
I cut my hair because I wanted short hair.
Why did you want short hair?
Because I wanted to see what it's like to have short hair.
But you have so much hair on your head, and a lot of people would love to have that much hair.
Well, when I get my hair cut, I'm gonna donate it to kids.
Oh, that's very nice. And what makes you want to donate it?
Because there's kids in the world that have cancer, and I can give my hair to them, and that will make me feel happy.
No, that's very nice of you. So how many inches do you think you're going to cut off today?
10.
Just 10?
Maybe 11.
11?
12.
12?
I don't know.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's get going. We got an appointment in 45 minutes to go chop it off. Let's get one last look at it. Up to you how you want to do it.
Stand right here, let me cut it. Let me cut it. Look, I'm already traumatized. Stand right here, SoSo, so I can take...
Wait, one more. All right, so the time is here. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Nope.
I'm not ready, SoSo.
I'm ready.
Because with this way, you get a little more even cut.
Mm-hmm.
When you're cutting through, if I cut with scissors,
It's going to be like
it can
blunt.
make it more gentle.
I think.
Shantae's face too while I'm doing this. No moving, so.
What I really need is somebody who will always be there. Don't you promise me the world, all that I've already heard. This time around for me, baby. Actions speak louder than
So I don't even know what that looks like. Soleil is gone.
She's like,
It's gone,
feels
so.
lighter, doesn't it? Your head.
That'll be good.